Hi everyone, welcome back to Science Academy. This time we are going to make inclined plane. What is inclined plane? Inclined plane is actually one of the 6 simple machines. Inclined plane, just like the name suggested, refers to an even sloping surface. It's particularly useful when you want to lift something from the lower to the higher surface, or from the higher surface to the lower surface, without using much force. So today we are going to make the inclined plane model by using the STEM kit. Before we make our inclined plane, we will have to build our weight first. So let's get our weight ready. Now our weight is here. We are going to take the reading of the force we are going to use to lift this weight without using the inclined plane first. So we will use the force meter to take the reading. It is 40 gram, which is equivalent to 0.4 Newton. Now that we have taken the reading without using the inclined plane, we are going to make our own inclined plane. We will follow the instruction in the booklet. It's quite easy actually. All we have to do is combine this part together and we will have our own inclined plane. So I will put the weight down here. And then we will pull it to the middle of the plane, and it is 12 gram, which is equivalent to 0.12 Newton. Wow, it is actually much lower than without using the inclined plane. Besides this, you can also actually make extra experiment where you can actually adjust the steep of the slope. You can make it more steeper and then take another reading and compare the result. That's all for this time. I hope you guys have fun. Please stay safe. Bye!